County in north-central Illinois, Lake Illinois County in northeastern Illinois, Lake Henry County in northwestern Illinois. Torrential rainfall with between 1 and 3 inches of rain per hour. These thunderstorms will continue to produce rainfall rates of 3 inches per hour. These thunderstorms will continue to produce rainfall rates in the northern area with localized totals over 4 inches likely.
Illinois, Lake Illinois County in northeastern Illinois.
Flash flooding is ongoing.
Producing torrential rainfall with rainfall rates of nearly 2 inches per hour and up to an inch of that in just 15 minutes. Between 1 and 3
and other poor drainage areas. Some locations will experience flash flooding including Rockford, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, several experience flash flooding, Crystal Lake, Rockford, Northbrook, Arlington, Chicago, Dorney, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Hills, Northbrook, Indiana, Chicago, Round Lake Beach, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Hills, Woodstock, Indiana Hills, Round Lake Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Illinois, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lane, Indiana Hills, Round Lake Beach, Belvedere, Vernon Hills, along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Belvedere, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, and Zion. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.